So this is our new M18 FUEL 23 litre L-class vacuum cleaner. It has the same power, if you like, as an equivalent AC vac of the same size. It's optimised for our high output batteries and it runs on 2. On its runtime mode, it can run for 49 minutes of clean-up time, if you like. Some of the common frustrations of vacuums like this are things like, wheels breaking. So we've beefed up the wheels, and this one has got steel framed wheels, so they won't break. It also has a hose which is an anti-crush hose, so if you stand on it, it'll spring back into its original shape. Also, it's anti-static hose as well, so that means the dust won't collect on it. It's got a HEPA H13 filter inside, and the vac is also a wet and dry vac. So what that means is that you can use it with liquid if you so wish. It won't overfill because it's got a float system inside, and that means that as it gets to the top, it'll just shut off. There's a plug hole at the side, which means you can just undo that to get rid of the liquid, which means you don't have to lift it up and pour it out. You can just release it that way. All the attachments that it comes with, all the cleanup attachments, are all located on the tool itself, and also it connects directly to our DEC 26 system, which means it'll hook up to any Milwaukee tool with a dust extraction pipe on it straight away.